Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. The team is highly productive when working together because each individual has a limited skill set. We use the conjunction because when we want to explain something, but in this case, the second clause doesn't explain the first. If each individual has a limited skill set, that would make it seem that logically the team wouldn't be highly productive when working together. Because isn't an appropriate conjunction choice here, this choice can be marked as incorrect. B. Each individual has a limited skill set, and when working together, the team is highly productive. While this sentence is grammatically correct, and still doesn't seem to be the best choice of a conjunction. These two clauses basically contradict each other. One says the team is productive, while the other tells us the individual members have limited skill sets. You would expect a conjunction like despite or yet. However, because this sentence is technically grammatically correct, we won't mark it as incorrect just yet, but we'll keep an eye on it as we take a look at the other choices. C. While each individual has a limited skill set, the team is highly productive when working together. This sentence more clearly sets up the relationship between these two clauses. Starting the first sentence with while tells us that it's going to set up information for us that will be contrasted in the second clause. For example, as we can see in the sentence, while I came early to the party, you were late. In this case, the first clause tells us that the individuals have limited skill sets, but the team is productive when working together. Because this conjunction sets up the relationship between the two clauses better than choice B, we can now mark choice B as incorrect as we keep an eye on choice C and take a look at our final choice. D. As the team is highly productive when working together, each individual has a limited skill set. As functions more or less the same as because. With this in mind, this sentence would mean that because the team is productive, each individual has a limited skill set. As we can see that this doesn't make sense, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice C as our final answer.